I just uploaded the video of Nigerian celebrities and their look-alike daughters, and I remembered that they also have sons. You know, what's good for the goons is also good for the gander. So today, I'll be talking about Nigerian celebrities and their look-alike sons. But before then, if you're new to my channel, please click on the red subscribe button to subscribe and turn on the bell notification icon to be notified anytime I drop new videos. Follow me on Instagram at Ejimozi, EJIMOZY. I'm always active on Instagram. Just follow me there. So let's get right into the video.
It's a boy Ejimozi. It's a boy Ejimozi. The boy Ejimozi. It's a boy Ejimozi. Yeah, yeah. Oh, my lover, never leave you lonely. Always stay by your side. Never leave you lonely.
Tubaba. You know, in the list of Nigerian celebrities and their look-alike daughters, I mentioned Tubaba, who looks like his daughter Ehi. And on this one, he is mentioned too. What does that mean? It means that Tubaba has a very strong gene. I know you'll be wondering the child that brought him on this list, but let me tell you. Tubaba has two sons from his first baby mama, Sumbo Ajaba, who is married to Pastor Adeboye. The two boys are carbon copy of their father, Tubaba. They have the same nose, eyes and shape of head with their father Tubaba. Oh, before I forget, their names are Zion and Nino Idibia. Actually, when they were born, Tubaba needed no DNA test to prove that they were his kids. In a tell-all interview Sumbo granted in 2016, she said that she got pregnant for Tubaba at the age of 24, and they had their first baby together, Nino Idibia, in 2006. 2 years after the birth of Nino, Tubaba and Sumbo welcomed their second child together, Zion, in 2008. Contrary to what many know, Sumbo had moved in with Two-Face and they lived in together for 3 years as live-in lovers until they parted ways. Joke Silva. Like I always say, when couples live together for a long time, they tend to look alike. This is the case of Nollywood icons, Olu Jacob and his wife Joke Silva. They both look alike, and if you are the type that watch Nigerian movies on Netflix, I mean Nollywood and not Asaba Wood or Enugu Wood, you would notice that Olu Jacob's wife Joke Silva has started to speak like her husband sometimes in movies. Actually, I got to notice this when I was watching Chief Daddy. And the time Chief Daddy's lawyer, that's RMD, called all Chief Daddy's hidden wives and children to inform them about Chief Daddy's death and how he wants them to bury him. During the meeting, I noticed that Joke Silva was speaking like her husband. Well, that's not why we are here. But all I can say is that the couple are beginning to look alike, and even their son Olusoji Jacob looks like his mother and father at the same time. Maybe Olusoji looks more like his mother, but the three of them look so much alike. Ice Prince. Have you seen Ice Prince and his son together before? Wow, they both look amazingly alike. They have that same iconic forehead, eyes, nose, and shape of mouth. Ice Prince's son is Jamal Zamani, and the name of Ice Prince's baby mama is Bimbo Babatunde. Ice Prince's son Jamal was born on the 1st March 2012. At the time the boy was born, Ice Prince's baby mama Bimbo was studying at the University of Lagos. Because Bimbo and Ice Prince are not together, the child was being raised by the mother, and he is still very much responsible for his son. Mike Ezuronye. Did you know that Mike Ezuronye has a son? No. You absolutely must meet this little handsome boy. Well, on the eve of his birthday, we are lucky to see the lovely pictures of Mike Ezuronye and his son. But one thing his fans noted is the resemblance between Mike Ezuronye and his son. They have the same eyes, nose, jaw, and even forehead. It is very difficult to look away from this sweet little carbon copy of Mike Ezuronye. Mike Ezuronye got married 10 years ago, and his wife's name is Nkechi Norom. The traditional wedding took place in May 2010, and they had the official wedding on the 13th November the same year. Actually, his wife works as a psychologist in Canada. Zach Orji. The handsome actor is the husband of the Nollywood actress Ngozi Orji. Their marriage is blessed with 3 children. Among his 3 children is Lionel, the only son of Zach Orji. Leo is the carbon copy of his father. One can say he's the younger version of Zach Orji. Take a look at their nose, eyes, forehead, no difference. Zach Orji's only son, Lionel Chukwemeka Orji, simply known as Lionel, is a musician. He is into gospel music and started singing at the age of 9. He studied in the UK. According to him, while in the UK, he was privileged to perform with top Nigerian artists who came to the UK to perform. Leo studied media studies and television at the University of Bradford, UK. ROMD, like they say, fruit does not fall far from the tree. Richard Mofe-Damajo, popularly known as ROMD, and his son Tega are very handsome. The boy has grown up to be ladies' man, and he sure got a good look from his father's gene. Tega Mofe-Damajo shares many things in common with his handsome dad. Both of them are very good looking and also stylish. Women easily flock around both men in reality and social media. Despite the age of his father, Richard Mofe-Damajo, he is still a fashion icon. Richard Mofe-Damajo was married to Nigerian journalist and publisher Mary Ellen Ezekiel. After her death in 1996, ROMD married Tega's mother, Jumobi Adegbesan. ROMD has 4 children, 2 from his current marriage and 2 from his previous marriage. Pete Edochie. Pete Edochie is a veteran Nigerian actor. I know many will be expecting me to say that Yul Edochie looks like Pete Edochie, though they slightly look alike, but what fans don't know is that Pete Edochie and his first son, Leo Edochie, are carbon copies. Seeing both of them together, one might mistake them to be brothers, because Pete Edochie gave birth to Leo Edochie immediately after getting married at the age of 22. Now his first son Leo is around 50 years old. They have the same shape of head, nose, eyes, and even the same shape of mouth. And if you check their arms, you will notice that they have the same big arms. Leo Edochie is the CEO and founder of Soluton Global Ventures Limited, which is primarily a construction company. He is also the 25th president of Port Harcourt Polo Club. He is the graduate of University of Nsukka. Toyin Adewale. Toyin Adewale is a popular Nigerian actress who is known for acting in Yoruba movies. She is also the mother of popular Nigerian singer Mayor-kun. One thing that the fans don't notice that much is that Mayor-kun looks so much like his mother, Toyin Adewale. Just look at their eyes, nose, and even the shape of their mouth and cheeks. They are the same thing, no difference, even though they are of different gender. Salami Adebayo. Salami Adebayo is a veteran Nollywood actor. He acts mostly in Yoruba indigenous movies. He is the father to popular Nollywood actor Femi Adebayo. It's no doubt that Femi looks exactly like his father. In fact, he's the carbon copy of his father. Just look at the shape of their faces, their eyes, nose, and no difference. Apart from the facial look, Femi Adebayo also inherited his father's career as an actor. Thank you very much for having time to watch my video to the end. I have a question for you in the comment section. Which of these Nigerian celebrities look so much like their sons? Drop your opinion in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're new. Turn on the bell notification icon to be notified anytime I drop new videos. Follow me on Instagram at Ejimozi, EJIMOZY. I'm always active on Instagram. Just follow me there. Thank you very much and God bless you.
If a child is born and that child is very sickly and the child dies, and the father says, okay, this child looks like a changeling. I don't know what a changeling is. A changeling is the English word for manager. This child looks like a changeling, and there's a possibility the child will come back, and they decide, and then he clips in the tip of this finger, and then bury the child. Maybe 9 months, 1 year, 2 years, another child is born, and that child comes out without this. How will you explain it?
Wow. Some things are like mysteries. I really don't know it, but
Very good.
The closest word is reincarnation.
I mean, if you just said it's mystery, blah, 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 it's advertising so much ignorance. Don't worry about it. Just see it as reincarnation for a start. And we'll take off from there. Good. A lady can get so fond of her friend and then dies. She would want to be part of that family, so she can stay very close to that friend of hers. She gets born into that family. But instead of being born as a woman, she gets born as a man. But remember that the spirit that got into that pregnancy is that of a woman. It now manifests as a man. When he sees a man, he is attracted to him.
Wow.
You know why? The spirit within her is a female spirit. Very few people can tell you this. But I'm not saying it flirtatiously. I'm saying with a
Sabaya Jimozi.